Hi everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, I am providing you a quick walkthrough of an automated inventory management system where I have created an invoice template in Google Sheet. And this is an automated invoice template where we can feed all the information regarding the products, and we can create an invoice, email to our users, and track the inventory, and as well as the invoice tracking. And we can take the PDF, and we can log the history as well. So this is an automated software solution of inventory management systems. Now, to start with this, first we need to, we have a four sheets here. First one is, the last one is the business info sheet, where we will be providing all our buyer information here in this sheet one by one. So this is a manual. So we have 5 columns here, one for invoice. So we can put our invoice number here. Then the buyer address one, where we can put their name and address line one, then address two, city, zip and phone, and then the date one. So total 6 columns here we need to fill out manually. So for an example basis, I have created 2 rows, and once we created, and once we need to take the, let's say I'm creating the invoice number 130, uh, and feeding all the details automatically here. So I'm copy pasting this 130 to here in this J2. Now what will happen is this information, which is invoice for all the details of buyer information plus date and the invoice, will be captured automatically here. So let's say if I'm doing for 125, just type 125 here, and now 125, this information gets updated automatically with the date. And this address line 1, address line 2, and address line 3, this is our address. So this is a one-time activity of doing that. Now for logos, custom logos, we can create custom logos here. So if you have any logo, you have a custom logo, then I will do that for you. So this is the template information that I'm sharing with you. Now in this template, we have 4 buttons. First is the update. So it will update the inventory, whatever the inventory. Then we have currently, and then add inventory. So first step is to add the inventory. So let me showcase you how this will work is, I will click on this add inventory button, and a form will be generated here, and we need to fill the item name. So let's say item number 1, then we have 50 quantity and unit price 25, and I'm clicking on add inventory button. So item, a message is popping out here, item inventory item added successfully. Now I'm adding one more item, that is item number 2, quantity 25, and unit price is 25. I'm again clicking on this button. Now my inventory item has been added successfully. So I need to go to the item sheet to track this one. Now for item number 1, total quantity is 50, and for item number 2 is 25 quantities. So now a log has also been created for these 2 items in the inventory histories, that for this date and time. So this is the date and time here we have captured. And as we know, as we have filled 2 items, so these 2 will be captured in inventory history automatically as a transaction type inventory in. Now this is how this add inventory button will be working. Now to get to print one invoice, let me go back to the item sheets. So now I have a customer, and I need to provide them 2 items. That is for item number 1 quantity, maybe 5 quantity that I'm adding for this invoice, and 6 for this one. So now my current quantity is 50 and 25. I'm just clicking on add drop down. So the item has been moved successfully, and as we can see here, the balance has been deducted, and this one as well I need to move out. So item and added to the invoice successfully. So now my current in quantities becomes 19. So this is my invoicing here. This invoice has been generated successfully. We can see here 275. These two items for quantities 5 and 6. I'm clicking on print button. So what this print will do is it will create an email address and create a PDF automatically, attach the PDF. So this PDF created, inventory updated. Yeah. So inventory has been also updated, Gmail draft ready, and invoice locked. So invoice also locked here. So 4 transactions starting in place for this once we click on the print button. Now I'm going back to the drafts of my email. I'm just refreshing the draft. So currently my time is 12:36 p.m. and this invoice has been there. This is a PDF has been attached automatically, and we can mark an email. We can edit our email, and this is the PDF. We showcase you how it's generated. So we can see here 2 items for item 1 and 2 for quantity 5 and 6 has been added in the invoice. This is the PDF invoice, and so here this is my drive, Google Drive, where this PDF is saved. And let me go back to the files spreadsheet. So we also tracking the invoice. So I have taken a printout of my invoice number 125 for today time, that is 21st of April 2025, and time has also logged here, and my invoice name for the company name that I'm providing, and the invoice amount, as well as if I go back to the inventory history as well. So at 12:36 I have 2 quantities of item number 1 and item number 2, 5 quantity and 6 quantity has been inventory marked as out. So this is the inventory history that has been updated here. So this is all about the print button, how it's working. The next one is the cancel item. So what it will be doing is many times, maybe let me showcase you here. So I have added 5 and 6 quantities, but let's say I have added 7 items. I'm going back to the I have added 7 items by mistakenly, and I click on add button, but I want to add 5 items. So by mistakenly I have added 7 items for quantity for item number 1. So you can just click on cancel items button. So our item sheet also updated up automatically the total quantity, and this invoice also gets cleared every time when we click on cancel items button, and every time we are giving the print button. So this also gets refreshed and cleared, and our inventory also gets updated. So this is for print button. And this update button, let me showcase you update button as well. So this is basically updating our inventory items. So once I click on update button, a drop down will be there. A form is generated with a drop down where we have whatever the items in this item sheet, they will be populated automatically here. And I just selecting for item number 1. Let's say maybe we want to edit or rename this item number 1. We can do here from this text box, and current quantity is 45. So I'm adding current quantity is 50. and unit price, maybe my price got changed to 30. So I'm clicking on update button here. So inventory updated successfully. So it will update two sheets. First is the inventory, in item sheet. So now for item number 1, my total quantity becomes 50 and unit price is 30, as well as the inventory history also. So I have 5 quantities of item. Number 1 has been marked as inventory in as a transaction, and the time as well. So time also updated, and so this is the inventory that I logged in. Now I'm going back to the invoice details. So sorry, invoice. So I covered all the 4 buttons over here. So I hope you like this video of inventory spreadsheets, and how we are tracking that spreadsheet of inventory. So to get any changes, or if you have any custom requirements, uh, I will definitely, you can just definitely reach out me over my email address or WhatsApp or Telegram. So I will be sharing all my information and contact details in the description part of this video. So I hope you like this video, and I will be definitely working with you very soon. So, and we'll talk very soon. So thank you for watching this video, and take care. Have a great day. Bye.